Every single second, someone in the world gives up, a dream dies, a goal gets buried, not because they weren't good enough, but because they never reset their mind. You wake up tired, you check your phone, you scroll through highlights of people doing better than you, and a little voice inside your head says, "Why even try?" You work, you try, you slip, you doubt, and slowly, without even realizing it, you start to believe that this is just how life is. But what if I told you, this isn't the real you? This is the fog, and in the next 7 minutes, we're going to blow it away. Because this video isn't just motivational, it's your reset button. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll give you a piece of advice that could change your life forever. Let's begin. You've been trapped in a loop. Wake up tired, scroll, compare, overthink, quit, repeat. You say you'll change, but deep down, you already feel defeated. The problem isn't your life, it's your mindset, and most people will die before they ever change it. But what if I told you, you are one decision away from a completely different life? Every person you admire, Elon Musk, Muhammad Ali, Steve Jobs, they all had something in common. Not money, not talent, but a mindset. A mindset that said, I don't care how hard it gets, I will not quit. Here's how to reset your mind in the next 24 hours. Step 1. Silence the noise. Turn off your phone for 1 hour. No scrolling, no input. Let your brain breathe. Step 2. Move your body. 100 push-ups, 1 long walk, cold shower. Shock your nervous system. Make your body believe something has changed. Step 3. Write a new identity. Write down, who do I want to become? Write it like it's already true. Feel it. Own it. Step 4. Make a move. Post the thing. Apply for the job. Ask the question. Do something scary today. This is not motivation. This is neural rewiring. There was a boy who got rejected 37 times trying to start a business. Now he runs a company worth $100 million. There was a girl who didn't speak to anyone in school. Now she's a TEDx speaker with millions inspired by her voice. What changed? Their mindset. Not their IQ, not their location, not their family. They rewrote the script of their life, starting with a mental reset. You don't need more time. You need a decision, a line in the sand. This is day 1, not of a new habit, but of a new you. Cut to flashing reset button again. Smash that reset button in your mind. Stand up, walk forward, and never look back. You made it to the end. That already puts you ahead of most people. So here's your bonus advice. If you want to reset your mindset, stop asking for motivation. Ask for discipline. Ask for clarity. Ask for stillness. Because the truth is, your mindset won't change when life gets easier. It will change when you get stronger. Remember this. Your future self is already watching you. Make him or her proud. Start today. If this video hit you hard, imagine what's coming next. Subscribe to NovaRise, because we're building the strongest minds on Earth,